Today, we will show you how to customize data fields on a Forerunner 945. You can customize the data fields on each activity profile. Begin by pressing the Start key. Select the profile that you would like to edit. For this video, we'll be using the Run profile. Here is where you can see the data fields for that activity profile. Press and hold the Up key to access the menu. Then select Settings. The name here may vary depending on which profile you have selected. Now select Data Screen. Then choose which screen you would like to edit. You can change the data fields and rearrange the layout. To do this, simply select Layout. Here, you can choose the number of data fields that will display as well as the position. You can choose from 1 to 4 data fields. Now that you've chosen the number of data fields to display, you can customize each one by selecting and editing each field. If you've downloaded a data field from the Connect IQ store, you'll be able to select it from here. Scroll down to see a list of data field options. Next, you can select the specific fields you would like displayed. Repeat this process as needed. Once you have perfected your data fields, you can use the back key to return to the data screen loop. And that's it! You can now change the data fields on your Forerunner 945. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.